Starting First Grade. I miss you so much. Today in your packet, you have a Bible lesson of Elijah Goes to Heaven. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video yesterday, and especially that little dance, kind of get moving and grooving. But today in math, I have a lesson up here, just a little bit of review. You have setting the clocks, telling time, piece of cake. But down here it says find the sum of the sides, whereas each side is 3 centimeters long. I'm going to come back to that in just a minute. Then you're going to count your money, hundreds, tens, and ones. Don't forget your place value. Tell me how many hundreds in 456, how many ones are in 283, and how many tens in 874. And then down here, writing the sums. This is a 3-digit addition with renaming. So don't forget to count in that 10. Okay? And then we'll take a look at the fun activities on the back, because that's multiplication. And I wish so much that we were in class to be teaching this. But let's go back to perimeter. Even though it doesn't say it in your page, when you're counting all 4 sides or all the sides around an object, that is actually the perimeter. And a perimeter is the distance around an object. So let's say if I needed to build Bella, my dog who loves to dig and get out of the house. I need to build her a fence. And so I have a space in my backyard, but I don't have the fencing. So what I would need to do is measure the sides of the object or the space that I'm going to be putting her. That way I would know how many fence pieces or how much fence to build around. So let's take a look first at this square. Each side is 3 centimeters long. So you have side A, B, C, and D. So you take the distance around it, add them all together, and that will give you the perimeter. So each side is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. And you guys are experts at counting by threes. 3, 6, 9, 12. And you guys can continue the song in your head. Okay? So the perimeter would be 12, but not just 12, because it's asking us to show the distance. So it would be 12 centimeters you would need to label. Okay? Not every object is going to be a perfect square. Not every object will have 4 sides. So I've drawn a different object. Okay, it still has 4 sides, but the sides are not the same measurement. So let's take a look here. Side A is 2 inches. So I'm going to measure 2. Side B is 2 inches. Side C is actually 4 inches. And side D is another 2 inches. So we would add 2, 4, 6, and then 6 plus 4, you guys know, is 10. But we're not measuring in centimeters this time. We would need to label it inches, okay? Because we're not measuring 10 feet or 10 yards or 10 doggies, okay? We're actually measuring in inches this time, okay? So the big word today is perimeter, and that is the distance around an object, okay?